Well, here we are in the meadows today again, and just a couple of ounces of petrol down the carburetor over there. Turned her over twice and brum brum. The old baby's up and running. Because I have the garden hose hooked up at the rear end there, so it has its supply of water in. Otherwise it would overheat and blow out the seal on the water impeller. And the impeller itself probably too. But anyway, we're up and going. I'm just waiting to see the temperature go up. The water temperature, the oil pressure's up to 40, and we're yeah, there's no signal to the tack right now, but that's okay. I'll figure that out later. So let's let her idle down a bit. Yeah, that's... Oh yeah, the water temperature's coming up now. She's about 120 now, thereabouts. Oil pressure's still 40. Fuel, it doesn't show on there. I put in about 4 gallons premium. And there was a little bit in the tank already. I heard it sloshing around, so I just put 4 gallons of premium in to boost up what was in there. Another thing I have to do now after the electronic ignition has been installed is just check the timing. And it also looks like that alternator fan belt is a bit on the loose side. So I'm going to turn her off. No, I'll let it idle and let it run for a few more minutes. Well, it's up to 140 temperature right now, and that's where it's supposed to stay. So I'll let it idle for a bit, see what happens. But obviously the fuel is all working. Good stuff.